In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit videos from start to finish using CapCut, including how to trim your video, add text, background music, transitions, and export your final video, even if you've never edited before. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create clean, professional looking videos for YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, or even Reels. So grab your phone right now, open CapCut, and let's start editing. So I'm going to head over to my screen right now. So everything I'm going to be saying is going to be displayed on the screen. So I'm going to look for CapCut on my phone. Okay, this is CapCut. So guys, when you open the CapCut interface, this is what it's going to look like. So you're going to see your new project, right? You're going to see AutoCut, you're going to see retouch, space, auto enhance, photo editor, marketing tools, background, remove background, auto captions. The beautiful thing about CapCut is that you can actually edit photo and video on the same app, right? And it's basically one of the best apps you can use to edit your videos, right? So for you to start, you've already done your video and you want to edit, right? So simply tap on new project. Now once you tap on new project, it's going to bring you down to your gallery. So you simply look for a video you want to work with. Let's say for instance I want to work with this 25 seconds video.
Do you know you can create real,
right? Okay, this is actually an AI video I made. Let me play
video for free. Do you know you can create realistic AI image to video for free? Absolutely, because I just tried it with this app and it is totally free. Yes, you heard that right. And wait, guess who is speaking to you right now? Ha ha ha, it's not Debbie, it's AI. Debbie used her picture to make me.
Alright guys, so I'm going to be showing you the amazing things I'm going to do with this video, right? Okay, so once you have this here, the first thing I do basically once I enter my CapCut app is I'm going to increase the volume of my video. So let's say for instance you want to increase the volume of your video, you drag it down. Okay, so what you're going to do is you locate where the volume is. So if you come down here, even before that, this is edit, audio, text, effect, overlay. I really don't want this video to be too long, guys. Okay, so if you click on edit, you're going to see your split, your volume. Like I said, we want to increase the volume of it. If you tap on volume, you can either increase or you reduce the volume, right?
Do you know you can create realistic AI image to video?
I just increased it and the volume increased the more. Okay, so let's go back. Now the next thing is your split. This split, in fact, I want to say that this split is the most important part of everything, because you can do without every other thing, but you cannot do without the splitting. Splitting is used to cut out the errors in your video. It's used to divide your videos into equal parts to take away the errors. Let's say for instance I am playing this video
to video for free. Absolutely, because I just tried it with this app and it is totally free. Yes, you heard that right. And wait, guess who is speaking to you right now? Ha ha ha, it's not Debbie.
Now let's assume I want to cut away the part this video says ha ha ha. Now I need the split to do that. So what you're going to do right now is,
guess who?
You play it to the parts you want to split it, right?
Who is speaking to you right now? Ha ha ha, it's ha ha ha.
You play it to that part and then stop.
Ha ha. Ha ha. You right now.
Just ensure wherever you're cutting it from, you're not cutting any other part that you're supposed to cut, right? Even if you mistakenly cut out a part, if you come above here, you're going to see these two arrows, this one facing here and this one facing the other side. So you can actually use this one to bring back what you've mistakenly cut out. Okay, and it will come back. But then let us split this. For you to split it, once you've come to the part you want to split, you tap on split. If I tap on this split, you can see my screen is divided. My screen is divided. And then you take your cursor, this long thing here, you take it to the other parts.
It's not ha ha ha.
You can see, you put it here again and tap on the split again. Right? It has divided. You can see. Once it divides, just tap on the middle of the place you want to cut off. And then you cut it off. Right? You go to delete. You tap on delete and it's cleared. Let's play it again.
To you right now. It's not Debbie. It's
you can see that part that I was saying ha ha ha, I've cut it off. Now, another thing that this split does is that it actually helps you to divide your screen into equal parts. Let's say, for instance, you have a part in your video that you want to add transitions, or you want to add any other thing to make it different from every other part of your video. You also need a split. Let's say, for instance, I want to add transitions, okay, or animations. Let's say, for instance, I want to add animation to a particular part of this video. I'm going to bring my cursor to where I want to add it. Let's say, for instance, I want to add it here. I'll split it, come here again, split it, and then touch the middle. And then I'll look for the animation. This is animations. Tap on animations. Okay. On the animations, I have intro animations, I have outro animations, I have combo. Okay, just be clicking on all these animations and look for any one you want. Let's say, for instance, I want to use combo. It's going to give me options to choose from. So let's say, for instance, I want to choose this one.
Free.
You can see. You can try other ones.
Free.
Just keep trying them to see the one you want to pick from.
Free.
So I've chosen that one. You can see. Let's play it.
To video for free? Absolutely, because I just tried it with this app and it is totally free.
That was just a subtle animation, okay? Okay, now the next thing you want to do, or before you even start all this, once you've increased your volume or you decrease your volume, you come straight here. You see edit, you see audio, you see text. You come straight to aspect ratio. This is aspect ratio. You tap on it. This aspect ratio will actually help you to set your video in the right ratio. For instance, for YouTube, you use 16:9. This is the one for YouTube. You use 16:9. For TikTok, you use 9:16. You can also use 9:16 if you're creating YouTube shorts. Just use anyone that is relating to the social media platform you're working with. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this one at 16:9. It's already at 16:9. Okay, so let's go back. I've taught you how to trim out to remove a part of your video you don't want, so that especially when you're making a video and you're doing with that split, you can actually use it to take away the part you're doing and your video is going to go smoothly, right? So let me teach you how to enhance the voice of your phone so that it can sound better and cinematic. So if you come back, click on edit again, you scroll down, right? Once you scroll down, I'm just teaching you the basic part of it, though. You really don't need every other part of it. Scroll down, you see enhance voice. Tap on enhance voice, allow. You come down here, you toggle this on. It will maximize to 100%. And then the next thing is you can clean up the noise, right? You tap on this.
Do you know you can create realistic AI
It's done. You can clean up the noise, and if you have a background noise on your phone, on your video, it's going to take it away, right?
Do you know you can create realistic AI image to video?
You can see it's actually sounding better. You can see it's actually sounding better. Then go back. Just tap on this place to go back. Now, another beautiful thing about this CapCut is that it can actually help you to take away, if you want to smoothen your face, you want to take away acne from your face and make your face look flawless on camera, because it feels like it's not flawless, is actually kind of distraction to your viewer. So this actually helps you to make your face flawless as a content creator. So what do? You come to retouch. So once you come to retouch, you see the face, the body. This can literally do free surgery for you. Like if you come to the face section here, okay, these are various filters. I don't use all of these ones because these ones will not make you look like your real self. So if you want the one that is going to make you look like your real self, you see this retouch and just come to this place that they wrote 0 and cancelled it. Touch it so that it's not going to apply on your face. And then what do? You come to face. So once you come to face, you work basically with your clear blemishes. Now this is clear blemishes. Now you come down here, you drag it to clear the blemishes, right? Now if you want to de-wrinkle your face, if you have wrinkles on your face and you want to de-wrinkle it, you drag it, right? Now facelift, they have facelift. Like I said, it will do surgery for you. If you want to smoothen the face, you tap on smooth. You can see it has smoothen it, but ensure your own is not this smooth because it looks so obvious. Your skin tone, for those that used to change their skin color, you can choose from any of this, right? So these ones are free. It gives you the option to choose free ones. If you want your skin tone, because there are some persons that are fair and they love to be dark, so you tap on this place and drag it. You see it's darker than this, so this is what it can do for you. Then okay, you want your eyes to be bright eyes. You don't want it to be dull, your teeth to be white. You see my teeth is white.
Realistic AI image to video free? Absolutely, because I just tried it with this app.
Okay, you can see this is the only part I worked on. So once you see that you divided, before you even divide your video, before you even split your video, ensure you add all these things first. If not, you have to be doing it one by one. You can see this, it is only this part that everything I edited applied on. So if I want to work on other parts, I have to do it one by one in other parts I have splitted, right? So you can see, so these are the parts I've edited. You see how flawless it is. Then what again? For the video quality, if you want to work on the video quality, you tap on video quality. Now if you tap on video quality, all these things are paid version. You have to subscribe to their pro version. And there's a way you can actually get CapCut Pro for just 2,000 naira or just 1,500 naira, right? If you're interested in that, you can drop at the comment section. I'm going to teach you how to get it for as low as 2,000 naira, right? And I'm also going to teach you how to get this CapCut Pro without paying anything. If you're interested in that, drop at the comment section if you want to know how to get CapCut Pro without paying anything, because the Pro version is everything. So if you want to apply filters, let's say for instance you want to apply this first filter here, you tap on it. You can see the filter has been applied. Let's say for instance you want to apply this one here. It has been applied.
Realistic AI image to video free?
You can see how this...
Absolutely, because I just tried it with this app.
You can see...
Do you know you can create realistic AI?
You can see how this video is flawless. That's the power of editing, right? Let's say for instance you want to add background music. If you want to add background music, you click on audio. Okay. If your background video, if you want to use your voice, for instance, you click on record. If you want to record your voice, right, just tap on record while using this app. wait for it to count, and then just start recording. At the end of the day, you just stop it where you want it to stop, right? This is a voice changer on sound. Once you tap on sound, you are able to add music. If you want to add the recommended music they have from CapCut, these are the various music. You can just tap on any of them. Let me just tap on this. Okay, before that, then if you want to add music from your phone gallery, from your phone, you tap on this place here. You tap on device, right? I don't have any music currently on my device, but let's work with the one from CapCut. So calm inspirational background. Let's say I want this music to be playing at the background, so let me play it.
Do you know you can create realistic AI image to video free? Absolutely, because I just tried it with this app and it is totally free. Yes, you heard that right.
You can increase the volume of your music. Just tap on the music section, tap on volume, increase it.
Do you know you can create realistic AI image to video free? Absolutely, because I just tried it with this app and it is totally free. Yes, you heard that right. And wait, guess who is speaking to you right now? It's not Debbie, it's...
You can see? So basically, these are the basic things you need to know as a beginner video editor. Okay, from there you can go on and explore every other thing for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.